According to media reports, the 59 banned Chinese apps have been given 48 hours to provide clarifications on key issues to the central government. Reports say that the decision to ban the 59 mobile apps is interim in nature. The firms will mainly be asked to clarify their data sharing norms under a Chinese law that requires companies of Chinese origin to share data with that country's intelligence agencies, irrespective of where they operate. A CRPF Jawan and one civilian died this morning and 3 CRPF troops were injured after terrorists attacked a petrol party in Jammu and Kashmir's Baramulla district. A man who was in a car with his children was also shot during the attack. He died on the spot, a senior police official said. His 3-year-old son was also in the car who was rescued. Police officers across Tamil Nadu have been transferred and 4 cities have new police chiefs in a major shake-up in the state. This happened even as investigation is underway into the deaths in custody of a man and his son arrested for keeping their shop open longer than curfew during the coronavirus lockdown. In Tuticorin, where the incident happened, the police chief has also been replaced. A wedding in Bihar has become a super spreader of the coronavirus after 111 guests tested positive. The groom also died a day after the wedding. Although his samples could not be tested, he reportedly had diarrhea, which is a COVID symptom. He drove down from Gurgaon to Patna for his wedding. Although he was unwell, over 350 guests attended the wedding. Nepal Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli's recent remarks that efforts are being made to oust him after his government redrew Nepal's political map has backfired, with top leaders of the ruling Nepal Communist Party demanding his resignation on Tuesday. This is not the first time that the senior leaders asked Prime Minister KP Oli to resign from his post. In April as well, KP Oli was asked to resign. Ramdev's Patanjali Ayurved never claimed it can cure COVID-19 with its medicines Coronil and Swasari. The firm's CEO, Acharya Balakrishna, has now said, adding it just shared the favorable outcome of clinical trials on patients. The centre had barred the firm from advertising the products after Ramdev said they cured 280 patients within days in trials. Mumbai's Lal Bagh Raja Ganeshotsav Mandal has decided not to hold Ganeshotsav this time in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. A blood and plasma donation camp will be set up in its place. The Mandal will donate the amount raised to celebrate the festival to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. They will also felicitate families of martyrs who have lost their lives at the LOC and the LAC.